Look no further than the 2020 Nissan Pathfinder. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a solid, smooth-riding Nissan Pathfinder, the family-oriented 3-row crossover with impressive towing capacity and available all-wheel drive. Flexible seating and standard driver assist safety features give you the convenience and confidence to enjoy every adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate, fog lamps, premium sound system. Feel the assurance of quiet capability in this Pathfinder. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.